we go option wise. First see A, option A. In option A you see n equals to m1 200 yn. This means that y1 union y2 union y3 union dash 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 union y at the last y, there will be y with 100. Now suppose we take 2 among these, one y15, then z belongs to C. We have to, this set is z belongs to C and z to the power 15 equals to 1. According to this, if you put here n equals to 15, then you are getting this thing. Similarly, y7 will be z belonging to complex number z to power 7 equals to 1. Now, since z belongs to complex number, then solution of this equation will have 15 roots, and this will contain 7 roots. Let us take the first roots from each. We are taking the first root from this. This will be cos 2 pi by 15, because here is 15, plus I sin 2 pi by 15. And z2, we take another element from this z2. So the first one will be cos 2 pi by, here is 7 plus I sin 2 pi by 7. Now here you see the subgroup of C. To be a subgroup, product of these two must belong to this one. If belongs, then there is a possibility that this is a subgroup. Let us find Z1, Z2. Z1, Z2, if you go for Z1, Z2, then this will be 2 pi by 105 by 20. Or this can be written as cos 2 pi 20 by 105 plus I sin 2 pi 22 by 105. This is the complex number, but you must see that this rational number is in lowest form. You cannot cancel any number from 22, because HCF of 22 and 105 is 1. So this ratio 22 by 105 is in the lowest form. There is no common divisor, and so here you in the denominator, as you see here in the denominator 15, here 15, 7, here 7. So accordingly, Z1, Z2 is actually a member of Y115. But here you see, you have to keep yourself within 100. You see here in the option A, within 100. But product of these two goes beyond 100, 105. So A is wrong. Now, using the same discussion, you can find that B, C, D are correct, because in this you have infinity. You know that if here you take z to the power 3, means you must, here this is a circle of unit radius. 3 roots means these 3 at an angle of 120. In the same way, we can take many roots. If you take if you want to take 15 roots, then you have to take 15 points similarly at same angle. So, but here you see in B, C and D, infinite means all points lying on this circle is a member of this group. So If you take any point, obviously product of these two will go to this group. So these three are subgroups. So our correct options are B, C and D.